All right, man, we out here. Long awaited, super duper over. Definitely long awaited if we get fucking, we gotta get this damn bump on the back of this bitch. I figured out how everything sit. I just gotta go get some hardware that is fully threaded. I don't know what's up with this. These are the bolts that was in there, but they need to be fully threaded so I can tighten them down, whatever. So we're gonna need 4 nuts and washers, or four of them bolts for there. And then we're looking at another 4. Let me see. So yeah, 4 there. Yeah, so we're looking at 4 there, and then an additional 3. So it's gonna be like 3, 1, 2, 3, right there. Yeah, so it's 1, 2, it's another hole right there. And then actually a 4th one, because it's a bolt that goes through there. So that helps support the weight or whatever. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need like 12 bolts, fully threaded. Yeah, 12 bolts, fully threaded, nuts and washers. For the full kit, caboodle, shebang, all that good shit. See this one here, I mean pretty much the same thing, but yeah. So we gonna make a couple trips back and forth today. I'm trying to get it narrowed down to where I got everything I need, but that should about do it. So like I said, the 4 bolts here, those gonna secure the bumper to this, and then we're gonna have the 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 8. Yeah, hold on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I miscounted somehow. So 2 bolts there is the same 2 bolts as there. So that's 2, 3, that's 5, and then 6. So yeah, 12 bolts. I don't know where I got that other fucking math from. 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. So yeah, boy. So let me go and get these nuts and bolts. Like I said, it's gotta be fully threaded instead of like that. I don't know how it was held on before. Actually, I think this is actually a different bumper than when we took the original off. This one is a step one. The pussy definitely got some power to it. I probably could have opted just for a different one, but this is one that we was gifted. I like the way the Cortez is doing the roll pin on his, but y'all know me, I try to keep it simple. So yeah, let me get my bolts, or get a bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is like grade 8, grade 9 bolts. Definitely want to be the big, like the hold some shit together type bolts. Leave it down in the comments if you know. I think that's grade 8. Y'all let me know. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Sometimes I absolutely hate leaving the house. I have to go out in public, deal with people, etc., etc. I was gonna take the G body, but trying to get this done, get this rear bump on, and then we can come back and play with the G body later today. So stay focused, motivated, etc., etc. All right, so we're just leaving up out of home base. Picked up some fucking, bruh, y'all looking at fucking like $40 and fucking bolts, nuts, washers, lock washers. The fuck? Last bill, nigga. All right, so boom, it's finished. It's done. No, I'm bullshitting. So I just got it sitting up there to make sure it's gonna, sit how I need to sit, it's supposed to sit. But yeah, that's like with that drop it low bumper. And of course, when I get it on there, I will clean it up and all that shit. But yeah. But we can talk with this motherfucker. We can go ahead and get rid of that truck on the street. No, I'm bullshitting. So I'm finna go ahead and get these brackets tightened down, and then we're gonna kind of test fit the bump off into place and then go from there. Progress feels beautiful. All right, so I'm over here working on the truck. My goddamn phone vibrates, rings, whatever. Anyway, long story short, I'm gonna go back to this case. Let me show you what happened to this case that's on here. Like, my shit just fell. And then that bitch cracked. It cracked and broke. So, you get what you pay for. So, I'm gonna put my shit back in my fucking auto box. Stop playing. Shit. So the rain was cold. I went in there and took a nap and everything. Back up at it. We done gone and cleaned up. It's supposed to rain the rest of the week. So, I don't know. Shit, my truck is cleaner than it was. I went ahead and cleaned it up. It's looking good for the one time. And then, let's see, I guess I'm gonna clean this G-body up. It doesn't need to be touched. I need to back it up so I can put the airbag off in the shocks and shit a little bit. Probably fool around with the tuning a little bit. I get her ready for whatever smoke that come his way. Cause Cortez said his shit ready now. So we gotta be ready for that. So let me go on and get her turned around. doing some more things to get her and make sure that she's smoke ready whenever. Fully Cosmetics. Really though, I got in there, put this Rain-X stuff on there. Got the Rain-X anti-fog for the interior glass. Hit it with that Blue Magic Streak Free Cleaner. So it's looking a little better through that windshield. You know what I'm saying? Clean up the wheel a little bit. Also use it super clean all-purpose cleaner. I think it shines on the other wheels, not necessarily the chrome wheels. So I can need a little something with a little bit more oomph to it. A little bit more oomph to it. Yeah.